What's up, Sushi family? Namaste and greeting from Sushi and Santosh. Today in this video, I'm gonna teach you how to make chicken sushi roll. And some people call also chicken katsu. Yes, I have here the chicken. I'm gonna cut first in a small stripe. Just like this, small stripe. One thing is very important. That is you are not allowed to make too much thick stripe, okay? Otherwise the chicken cannot cook well. That I'm gonna use pepper and the pinch of Himalayan rock salt. You can use the normal kosher salt also. And I'll use just a little bit hondashi. Hondashi means the artificial dashi, which enhances the umami flavor. It seems like a yum, you know, ajinomoto. You can use cornstarch also, or you can use the tempura flour, that is the tempura butter mix. And also I'm gonna mix a little bit cornstarch as well, okay? So it will be more crunchy and crusty as well. I have your flour. Now you can use tempura butter or you can use egg, but today I'm going to use. We have here the egg. I have here the tempura flour, or you can use the normal flour as well. And I have here the chicken breast. And another thing is you should have breadcrumbs, panko. I'll use the flour, then I'll dip in the egg, then breadcrumbs, okay? I did with egg. Now I'll use the tempura butter as well, okay? I think with tempura butter it will be a more crunchy, crusty. Let's see. I'll use this tempura flour to make the tempura butter, okay? I'll use the water, cold water. With egg, it cannot grab lots of panko, but with the tempura flour, it is grabbing more panko. So it will be a more crunchy, crusty, and crispy also. So I prefer to use the tempura flour, but if you don't have the tempura flour, you can use egg. Also, it doesn't matter, you can use the cake flour also. You know? Okay, let's go to fry it, then after we'll make the sushi, okay? That's our crunchy and crusty chicken katsu. Now let's start to make the sushi. To make the sushi, you can use ingredients whatever you want. It's depend on you. But the common things is the sushi rice. So if you don't know how to make sushi rice with rice cooker, without rice cooker, you can check link on my description box. I'm gonna put there. To make the more crunchy and crisp, I'm going to use sesame seeds, Asian spicy crunchy bundi, and that is tivola fruta, deep fried crunchy onions. And I'm gonna use cucumber and malageta and also avocado, okay? First of all, you should have always teju. Teju means equal quantity of water or vinegar. So we can dip our hands to take the sushi rice, we can clean our chopping board, we can clean our knife. And also you should have always one wet towel. And also the important thing is seaweed. And if you don't like the seaweed, I have another twist also, so don't go from this video, okay? Let's go. I have here the seaweed, and seaweed always have the rough side and the shiny side. Always we have to place the sushi rice on the rough side. Today also I am not going to use the bamboo mat. How to roll sushi without bamboo mat? I'm going to use more than 130 gram sushi rice. I'll place in the middles. Then I'll separate it very gently, okay? Don't press sushi rice on top 3 finger, because I'm going to make the Futomaki chicken sushi roll. It will be a little bit more fat, you know. Yeah, you will have lots of rice here, so no need to be worried. And you can use the water to take out this rice, okay? And also you can use your towel to clean your hands. Today I didn't do any preparations. I will cut at the moments, okay? Everything's. I will use the cucumber. I'm gonna cut this side and free up 4 finger like this way, and I'll cut like this way and half. The half will go. Seeds, I'll take out these seeds. Yes. I'm gonna use the cucumber. For the extra level of taste and textures, I'll use the corianders. And as you know, I'm the avocado lover, so always I love to use the avocado. I'm gonna use a little bit cibola frita, deep fried crunchy onions. For the extra level of aroma, I love to use the white sesame seeds. Then I will use the chicken katsu. Let's roll it. Take out the seaweed, secure the ingredients, and roll it. On the top, you can mash the sushi rice a little bit so it will close properly. Also, you can use a bit of little water as well. Nice. Let's make another one, uramaki. Inside out sushi roll, I will place the sushi rice around 120 gram. For the inside out sushi roll, I will leave one finger on the top and all the downside, I will use all the rice. Okay. This inside out sushi roll will be a little bit bigger than normal one. Normally, I love to use the half seaweed, but today I want to do the little bit different ones. So then let's flip it because that is the inside out sushi roll. So outside, I'm gonna use the little bit white sesame seeds. Now flip it. Okay. Cucumber is always freshness and also avocado. Yes, and before I use crunchy deep fried onions, now I will use bundi. That is a little bit not a spicy, just a little bit. So it will make more crunchy. Now I will use the chicken katsu. Okay. Okay. Let's roll it. Nice. Wooden chopping board is grabbing the lots of rice. So we need this wet towel to clean all of this. If you don't like the smell of seaweed, that is the soya seed. I'm going to use this one. Okay. Place the sushi rice very gently. It's not a uramaki. It's not an inside out sushi roll. It seems like a futomaki, but without seaweed. Okay. I'm gonna use a little bit sesame seeds, chicken katsu. Also, I'm gonna use the cucumber and roll it. Let's roll it. It will be a little bit more easy than the inside out sushi roll. Let's mash the sushi rice so it will close properly, then roll it. Now I will start to cut and gonna do the plating. Okay. When you are going to cut, always use the water to all your knife edges so the sushi rice can't be sticky. Now also we can use the wet towel paper or wet towel so we can clean our knife after cutting it. Okay. Now I'm gonna cut it randomly. I'll try to cut at least one finger. That means it will be almost 10 or 11 pieces. One, two, three, four, five, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Clean your knife. The cutting idea is always same. One stroke or three stroke. 1, 2, 3. Normally, I'm using 3 stroke. Ginger pickles and wasabi. That's it. This is our Futomaki chicken katsu sushi roll. It looks beautiful. Inside out sushi roll. Okay. To cut the inside out sushi roll, it will be a little bit more difficult, but if you use water and try to cut smoothly, just 1 stroke or 3 stroke, for example, that is the 1 stroke, and clean your knife. Look, I cut just 1 time, or you can cut 3 strokes, like a 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You can see here. At this moment, you can use the bamboo mat to give the shape. On the top, I love to use spicy mayo. You can use the normal Japanese mayonnaise or you can use the spicy mayonnaise. Depend on you, okay? And here is the twist. I will use the malageta as well. It will be mild spiciness, you know. Some carrot stars. That's it. This is our chicken inside out sushi roll. Okay, let's start to go for the 3 types of chicken sushi roll. I'm gonna cut it up. Use the water and start to cut. clean your knife. With chicken Futomaki sushi roll. This is a beautiful inside out sushi roll, and here is our sushi roll without seaweed. This is how we can make crunchy chicken sushi roll at home. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next video. Have a good day.
Có lại cái mấy người đó. Nó hỏi nó ăn đi nó không ăn.